Welcome to my channel. Now that the weather is getting warmer outside, spring is finally here, and summer will soon be here, many people will be going out having picnics and hiking and jogging and other outside activities where you will need a nice cold bottle of water. But if you just take a bottle of water, it's going to get warm really quick in the heat. So, some people will freeze the bottom portion of their bottle of water, thinking that that will be a good solution. And it's not bad, but the best way is this life hack. That is to freeze half of your bottle and leave the other half unfrozen. Lay it down in the freezer so that you still have room to pour fresh water into the bottle. And that way, instead of all the ice being on the bottom, and then of course melting, and then you have warm water again, you have a continuous length of ice that will keep this side of your water completely cold at all times, ensuring nice, cold drinking water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.